I really wanted to grill yung former mayor nila kung paano nakapasok si Alice because of the situation again of the West Philippine Sea with China, yung ating conflict. Baka mamaya nilalagyan na tayo ng pinaplantahan na tayo ng mga agents sila who will run as officials. Kasi sa akin pa I'm a national official. May mga namimit din ako mga officials ngayon na alam kong China man kasi alam mo malalaman mo I came from a Chinese school, I can distinguish yung accent tsaka yung tsura nung mga talagang those who are really Chinoys, yung talagang dito na pinanganak at dito na lumaki, at yung mga talagang Chinaman na tinatawag, yung talagang dayo lamang. Marami, may mga ilan may mga ilan ako na meet na nakapasok na.
Nasa government, sir?
Elected officials? Elected officials. So.
National position, sir?
Hindi naman national. So, yun yung mga natin. Sana gusto ko bakit paano siya pinatakbo, kung talagang yung mga documents niya talagang she's a Chinese citizen, why was she able to run? No? Yun yung gusto natin. In aid of legislation, that's what we have to look into so that to prevent non-Filipinos really from becoming officials, no, na maiwasan natin malagyan tayo ng mga agents.
So ano dapat gawin, sir, this coming election to prevent na makapasok yung another Alice Guo sa
dapat siguro ang COMELEC from the start, no, dapat pagsuriin na nila talaga yung mga make sure that natural born or naturalized pero talagang Filipino ang dito yung talagang yung mga nag-benefit doon sa mga late registration no, and thousands of them, no, so yun ang mga dapat bantayan, yung mga nag-late registration, because we do not really know them, no, tsaka syempre anong malasakit doon sa bansa natin kung bago lang sila, no. Well, yan tulad nila Tony Yang, kita natin yung mga accent no, talagang hindi yung Chinoy, no, talagang galing China yan. Nadi-distinguish natin kasi alam ko yun, I grew up with the Chinoys, no. Yun, we have to prevent again siguro yung benefit natin dito dapat we can introduce a legislation on how we will be able to prevent other nationalities, not only Chinese people from holding official positions in government.